Everybody, today we're going to be opening up something from Amazon Basics. This is going to be an 8-pack of AA high capacity rechargeable batteries. These batteries do come pre-charged, which tends to be the common theme now with rechargeable batteries. And this is the guaranteed frustration-free packaging as well. So pretty easy to open up the box. Inside we've got this honking huge piece of cardboard, so great waste of cardboard and packaging materials. I honestly would have assumed Amazon would have just slapped a sticker on these and shipped them this way. Would have felt better about it environmentally, but they don't. Now these are intended, I have a speed light, these are intended to be used on my speed light flash, so I need to have something that's high capacity in order to properly power that device. And since I love rechargeable batteries because I'm always burning through batteries, these are the ones that we ended up going with. Now since they come pre-charged, I believe they are charged up to 80%. I'm not testing that here today, but I do just want you guys to see what the new ones look like. Because often they do change the pictures and stuff. So in here, it does say rechargeable. We've got the 2400 AA, and as you can see in that packaging, let me focus it here real quick. Whoa! There we go. And as you can see here, the packaging is pretty standard for an Amazon battery. Got this little black cap there up at the top. What we hear is that they rebrand other brands and stick a new label over the top of them, and that's why they have such high performance. They'll take the like the Inteloops often is what I believe I've read, and what I think the prevailing theory is now in the reviews. But anyways, this is our 8-pack of batteries. They can be charged with any battery charger really that deals with these rechargeable batteries. You can Energizer, Duracell, whichever one, they all work the same. Or you can do some off-brands. I have a couple of them. Both of them just happen to be Energizer because I bought them a long time ago before I realized you can buy batteries cheaper than from Walmart. So anyways, the price on these are pretty good. So if you guys have any questions, comments about how they perform, I will be able to tell you something down the road, but definitely not right away. All right, thanks.